Hello, my name is Paul Crosby and I'm the fund manager of M&G's UK Enhanced Value Fund.
And Paul, how has M&G Prudential adopted Dashflow for CRE?
Well, at a time of launching any fund, it's important to be able to evidence one's ability of delivering the target returns. So in my case, as fund manager for UK EV, an element to this has included stock sourcing and building a suitable deal pipeline. Until funds are actually raised, these opportunities remain broadly hypothetical, and many will no doubt fall away before you can actually transact. This takes a lot of speculative time and resource from the team, and this has been the case for years when using traditional underwriting models and desktop-based software. The introduction of Dashflow allowed the UKF team to accurately evaluate more opportunities much more quickly. The mobile nature of the app means that presenting new deals can be brought to life even during investor pitching. It's one thing to show an investor a PDF brochure and a forecast IRR, but far more engaging to be able to work through the underwriting together, alter the entry price, ERVs, add leverage in real time, and that really helps them buy into the investment strategy. We've used proprietary software alongside Argus black box modelling for the past 20 years. Dashflow represents a step change. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and moved us into the mobile era, allowing us to analyse deals on the move, whether on-site inspecting offices in Manchester or fundraising in Tokyo. My colleague and I were travelling to South Korea, and he quickly needed an answer to a PDF opportunity that had come through to his inbox, of which there was a race against time before we were told to switch off our mobile devices, and I was desperate to prove that the Dashflow worked, and I was able to plug in the information, a number of tenancies, rents, ERVs, and show him a forecast IRR within about a 15-minute time frame.